Oh yeah, it's done. So these are for everybody who has a A1 or A1 Mini, and especially people with a top mount, but it also works in some cases with other spools. And let me show you what these are. So like these W2 spools, the ID is just a little bit too big and it will slide off here. And so I was using filament clips, but what these do is they slide in and then they turn. And it's kind of a two-handed operation, but they turn and kind of lock a little bit. And so it gives it more resistance so the spool doesn't want to come off. The top mount is very useful if you put them out here. I usually have to put the bigger ID ones on the back and let gravity hold them in, but you can load them out here with those little locks. These cool things I found on MakerWorld.com, the AMS Lite filament spool anti-drop lock. So if you need it, go check it out.